Hello everyone, today I will show you how to zoom in and out video in DaVinci Resolve, and here's how it's done. Go to the edit page and select your video clip. Open the inspector panel. Find the transform section and adjust the zoom slider. Increase to zoom in, decrease to zoom out. To animate the zoom effect, click the diamond keyframe icon next to zoom. Move the playhead forward, then adjust the zoom value. DaVinci Resolve will automatically create a smooth zoom animation. And that is everything to know about how to zoom in and out video in DaVinci Resolve.